Hey, all right, we're gonna run through a lesson kind of like I would in a class, and you're gonna follow along as best as you can. Difference is my students would be all in random groups of 3. They would all be at a whiteboard in my classroom. The whiteboards have grids on them as well that they can choose or not. And the students are pretty used to doing things this way. They all have a marker and they're good to go. So I would say to them first, decide who's gonna use the marker first. Maybe the person with the most letters in their first name can use it first today, and then we're gonna rotate when I call rotate, or when you guys see fit, either one. So first things first, person with the marker, make a grid of an XY axis that goes from -10 to 10. Okay, and you're gonna pause the video whenever you need to keep up, okay? Because this is a very abridged version. All right, next thing you're gonna do is you're going to graph for me the relationship y equals 2/3 x minus 2. So y equals 2/3 x minus 2. You can use the table of values or whatever you see fit. Okay, as that's happening, I'm walking around, I'm making sure that everybody's good with calculations. Then I say, oh, guys, you know what? I forgot. I only want you to plot whole numbers. So you don't have to put fractions or decimals or anything in your tables of values. You can only use x and y values that are whole numbers. So anything that gives you a y value that's a fraction or a decimal, skip it. All right. So now that you've plotted it, you know what, guys, I forgot to tell you again, please make sure that you have at least one negative x value plotted. Okay? All right. Now when that's done, have a conversation in your group about how you describe someone that you get from one point to the next. So how do you get from one point to the next? You know what? You can only tell each other that you can use up, down, and left or right. Okay, so how do you get from one point to the next only using up and down and left or right? Okay, talk about it in your group. If I gave you the equation y equals 1/2x plus 3, what would that look like without plotting anything?